So we've got all these different commands that I need to teach. 書いてください. Which I'm saying to you now. 書いてください. Which means write it down. Yeah. Okay, そして読んでください。読んでください。Okay? So let's say these two together. 書いてください。読んでください。So make sure it's not 書いてください because that means go home or like get out of here. So 書いてください means to write it down. So 見てください。見てください is to means kind of like look here. Okay, and just like that is 見せてください. Oops, which means show it to me. Okay, ください is used all the time when you say please. So if you just, like, you'll see parents will say to their kid like has something forbidden, like he's hiding it behind his back, and they'll say, ください! Right? Give it to me. Okay? But if you combine it with これ, right? And say you're in Japan and you're looking at a menu, you don't even know how, you need to know what it says. You'll just say, これをください. Yeah, you can keep it connected. これをください. Oh, it's connected already. Right? それをください. If you say これをください or それをください, please give me this or please give me that. Right? You don't even have to use the verb to buy or to eat. Okay? Just use これをください. 聞いてください. 聞いてください. Please listen. Okay. Then we've got, did I get all those? Okay. Then I've got you got 座ってください、立ってください。座ってください、立ってください。Sit. Stand. Then you've got 出して、出してください。Take it out. So for example, 宿題を出してください. Take out your homework. Or if a police officer, ID を出してください. Take out your ID. You know, ID is really kind of a strange abbreviation. Because you think about it, the I in ID stands for I, and the D stands for identification.
Yeah, what's with that?
All right, to say these together. Ready? 書いてください。読んでください。見てください。見せてください。So, all right, 見せます is to show. 見る is, or sorry, 見ます is to see. Right? 見えます is to be able to see. Right? 聞いてください。座ってください。立ってください。出してください。And then the other ones that you'll see are 開けて and 閉めてください which mean open 開けて and 閉めて closeください and then the last one that's very important is 静かにしてください。静かにしてください which means be quiet. A lot of times teachers will just say 静かに which means be quiet. So 静かにしてください。I wish that mowing thing would choose to stick to the side. Alright, so let's say these finally two together. 出してください。開けてください。Making it longer with the direct object. 窓を開けてください。Let's say it together. 窓を開けてください。Torres, you gonna say it with us here? 窓を開けてください。So we're going to say door. What's door mean? Door. Right? So door を閉めてください。Let's say it together. Door を閉めてください。そして静かにしてください。そう。静かにしてください。ものすごく大切な、フレーズなんです。Okay, what time is it? You have like 5 minutes left?